If you want to learn how to write a love poem, then check out How to Write a Love Poem, written by a love poetry enthusiast. Love poetry can be about romantic love, but far more. It can be about love of country, of a people or nation. It can be about love of ideals, such as freedom and peace. Poetry can be rhymed or written in one of many recognized forms of poetry, such as a sonnet. It can be unrhymed and follow no uniform pattern. In any topic or form, love poetry can be written by making images for the reader and then moving from image to express the writer's chosen feelings and ideas. Love poetry can be inspired by experiences, the classics, legends, heroic figures, patriotism, personal ideals, or even the works of other poets. The first step is to understand what love poetry is, a way to relate feelings to the art of words. It is the skillful use of words to bring ideas about feelings and emotions to a reader. One important skill is to be able to capture an image. This should be done in as few words as possible. It can also be done very effectively at the beginning of the write, such as in the opening lines or first stanza. Love can mean many things in addition to romantic love. Love of a place, a people, a nation. It can be love of people for various reasons. Relationships, friendships, and family are examples of love of this kind. There are unique and special bonds of love between parent and child. All of these forms of love can be the subject of a love poem. Once the image is captured, there are choices for the writer to make. To rhyme, use a poetry form, use free verse, use images, or develop a metaphor so that some few words will stand for something much larger in scope. Other forms of poetry are song lyrics, rap, and spoken poetry. These all have in common the idea of combining rhythm and words. These are even more special talents to blend music and/or rhythms into poetry.